Welcome to our tutorial on how to open drafts in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to access your saved drafts in Gmail. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top left corner of your Gmail interface, locate and click on the main menu icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, find and click on the Drafts option. This will open your Drafts folder. By following these steps, you can easily access your saved drafts in Gmail on your PC. Whether you want to continue editing a previously composed email or retrieve an unfinished message, the Drafts folder is where you'll find them. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay organized and make the most of your Gmail experience on your PC by effortlessly accessing your drafts.